First, we create Flutter project, then open Foxback YAML, add dependency discharge with new version 2.6.7, then running. Here I running to Windows platform. Go to discharge update, open documentation. We copy from example by ordinal to check the data. We create file pychart.dart stl stateless. Rename to pychart. Paste here for data. Import from the chart. To use the chart, we have to widget wrapper like spec ratio, container, row size box. The chart by ordinal. Okay. Now call pychart widget in scaffold here. Body pychart save. Okay. As you can see, now on the desktop window show pychart. If you want to show the label like domain or measure, you have to create config render field as not null in part of arc label decorator. Just like this and save. The default label will show. If you want custom label here, you can use property custom label. The type of two parameter here depends on what type chart you use. Like example, IO. That this will be ordinal. If you use by number or by numeric or by another, this is will be different for type. Depend on what type domain you use. Return, for example, like this, save. Or you can solve the domain value and measure value. Ordinal data dot domain colon space ordinal data dot measure. Save. Okay, like this. If you want enter, you can use symbol character \n. The value will be entered like this. Okay. Now for styling label here, label decorator. They are inside label style to styling label where place to inside like this. But if label show outside, you can use outside label style. To check the difference between inside and outside, you can use label position here. Configure where to place the label relative to the arc. Arc label position, auto, inside and outside. For default value is auto. We can check for auto if we change the minimum measure from 1 to 1, save. Then there are no available space to show label inside I. So automatically will be outside the label. If the space available to show label will be shown inside. But if you want to fix label like outside, only outside or only inside, you can use label position. Hak label position inside for just inside or only inside and only outside. But if you use label position outside and there are no space to show label outside, the text on line will be hide like this. Line also label will be hide. But if there are more space to show, will be show. For example, you can modify aspect ratio to like this. Space are available to show label and leader line. Okay, we can back to auto and change here to 1. Okay, next inside label style, colors black, then font size, okay, or 18. Copy this for outside. For outside, we set color red, then font size 18. Yes, 18. Label padding to use space before and after the label text. If you see the outside label here, there are leader label line and text label. To set padding between line and label here, you can use label padding. The default label padding is 5. If you set to 0, like this, if you want more space, like this, for example, okay. Next, leader line style. To style the leader line here, arc, label, leader line style. There are 3 required property. Color, for example, we can set to um, color screen. For length, we can check the leader line style. The default length is 20. You can set more length, 30. Then for thickness, default thickness is 1. So if you want more thick, you have to be good. Thickness more than 1, like 4, for example, like this. Or blue gray maybe. Okay. Or another level. Okay. Or blue. Constant. Next. So leader line. Whether or not to draw leader line for label place outside the arc. The default value is true. So automatically will be so. If you want not so the leader line, you can set to false like this. Now only show label, not with leader line. Back to default, true, save. Okay, next. Outside arc label decorator, inside config render phi, arc length, total arc length in radian. Jadi, so if you want to set the arc length, you have to calculate with radians. The default arc length is 2V. For example, you can see the documentation donut, sorry, partial. Nah, here, partial. If you set 3 divide 2 times b will be like this, 3 quarter. If set to like this, combine between arc width, arc length, and start angle. We start from arc length 2 times v. V is from DartMath, so you can have to import from DartMath. Save. This is default. If you set only v, will be half. If you set half times v, will be quarter. And you have set 3 divided 2 times v will be 3 quarter. Okay, go back to default. Next, arc ratio. It said configure the arc width to be a percentage of the radius. Arc ratio. For example, we can see from sample ratio. Okay, we can set here to the error. So arc ratio here we can set from 0.5 start. Okay, like this. Arc ratio is length from the center to outside. So if you set 0.5 will be half. If you set 0.25 will be quarter or 25% of width from outside to center. If you want fixed size, you can use arc width, for example, 30 pixel or 50 pixel or 20 pixel like this. To use start angle for pi slice in radians. Angles are defined from the positive x-axis in Cartesian space, and for default start angle is min v divided 2. Min v divided 2 is default. So here, top center is start angle. If you change to like here, the position changes to center left for start angle. If you set only min v like this, there are some error here. We can set again phi divide 3 resume. Okay, here. So the calculate to check position of star angle is to use radians. You can use for fixed number like blah blah blah, but you have to knowledge about radians. Okay, for stroke width px, stroke width of the border of the arc. For example, tool, you can use this to its default to set a space between slices of art. Okay, it's more bigger, or more small. If you set to 0, there's still um, space because the default from community chart Flutter, where package built on top the chart, there are no sample or way to hide the stroke width px. So the maximum or sorry, for the minimum stroke width is 0 like this. If you set to default or 2 like this. So there it is for you use and styling pie chart using the chart package. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.